This is stack type flexo printing machine. Bait color 1200mm width. First time installed in Mexico, Latin America. It can printing 4 color at front side and 4 color at back side at the same time. Maily used for shopping bags or packing bags with double side printing, such as laundry soap powder, closed packing bag. This machine with video inspection system. Crane lift system for anilox roller and plate roller. For more details, feel free contact Mr.Sam from WENZHOU Limited. www.wtotech.com